The House of Representatives is set to vote today on the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte. The House Justice Committee says it is ready to defend its findings of probable cause, even as Duterte's allies push back, calling the move politically motivated. Here's the report.
After lengthy deliberations, the voting, the exchanges, and the waiting, the impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Duterte now move to the House plenary. The House Committee on Justice will present its report on the articles of impeachment. Committee Chairwoman Jerva Luistro says they are ready to defend how they found probable cause or sufficient basis for the impeachment.
We will anticipate that there will be debate in as far as our findings of probable cause is concerned. Pwede rin natin i-anticipate the proceeding that we had in the Justice Committee might be questioned by some of the members of the House. But we will be responding to all the questions of the House members.
In fact, Congresswoman Luistro says she does not feel any pressure over the upcoming vote. She says they are only following what the Constitution requires.
Since day one of our proceeding in the Justice Committee, maliwanag po ang appreciation natin dito. This is not a matter of choice. This is a matter of duty.
Meanwhile, House Justice Committee member Joel Chua said on One News's Politica All the Way, allies of BP Sara may find it difficult to oppose the impeachment because, he says, the evidence against the Vice President is overwhelming.
Sabi nga nila, di ba, ang hustisya dapat nakapiring.
Nakapiring,
Oo. Paano mo sasabihin na no? Kung wala namang ebidensyang pinresenta yung kabila, wala namang ebidensya para ibangga dito sa mga aligasyon laban sa kanila. So we're giving them their days in court.
Exactly.
Pero never naman silang umapir. Di ba? Sinabi pa nga niya, bloodbath.
Oh.
So yung bloodbath, nawala, naging bubble bath.
Meanwhile, for Partido Demokratiko Pilipino or PDP Laban, the impeachment against the Vice President is not a sincere pursuit of accountability. The party claims it is merely a political move tied to her possible presidential run in 2028. The party says lawmakers who vote in favor of impeachment will be blacklisted and will not be allowed to run under the PDP banner. The party also says it may support opposing candidates against them in their districts. The party insists this is not a threat but political accountability.